Imagine having your favorite coffee beans transformed into a fresh, flavorful cup every single morning, with the perfect grind and brew working together seamlessly. No guesswork, no inconsistency, and no wasted time. Sounds like the perfect coffee setup, right? A great combination of a coffee grinder and coffee maker gives you full control over freshness, flavor, and brewing quality. But with so many options available in 2026, choosing the right setup can feel overwhelming. In this video, we're checking out the 5 best coffee grinder and coffee maker combinations in 2026 that deliver excellent flavor, convenience, smart features, and great value. Whether you're a busy professional, a coffee enthusiast, or someone who simply wants better coffee at home, these picks can completely upgrade your daily routine. So let's compare these top options and find out which setup deserves a spot on your kitchen counter. And remember, all the links are in the description below. Number 5, the Gevi 20-bar espresso machine with grinder and milk frother. If you want a more hands-on coffee experience that feels closer to a cafe, the Gevi 20-bar espresso machine with grinder and milk frother is a great place to start. This setup combines a high-performance espresso machine with a built-in grinder, giving you the full experience of grinding fresh beans and brewing rich espresso at home. It comes with a conical burr grinder featuring 30 adjustable settings, allowing you to fine-tune your grind size for different coffee styles. Its powerful 20-bar pump and precise temperature control help produce rich espresso shots with impressive crema, while the steam wand allows you to create smooth milk foam for cappuccinos and lattes. Compared with simpler coffee maker setups, the Gevi requires more user involvement, but that extra effort gives you full control over flavor and texture. Compared to premium espresso systems, it offers similar functionality at a much more affordable price, making it ideal for beginners. However, if you prefer a more automatic brewing experience, a standard coffee maker and grinder combo may be a better fit. What do you think? Would you rather have full control or complete convenience? Let me know in the comments. Number 4, the Armsen Grind and Brew Coffee Maker with built-in grinder. The Armsen Grind and Brew Coffee Maker is designed for people who want fresh coffee without taking up too much counter space. This machine combines a built-in grinder with a versatile coffee maker, allowing you to brew using whole beans, ground coffee, or even coffee pods. The grinder lets you adjust grind time, while the touchscreen controls make it easy to customize your brew size and strength. With a large water reservoir and fast brewing system, it's perfect for busy mornings. Compared with the Gevi, the Armsen is much easier to use daily since it automates the grinding and brewing process. Compared with other compact coffee maker setups, it offers more flexibility with multiple brewing options. The downside is that the grinder may not be as precise as high-end standalone burr grinders, which could affect consistency for coffee enthusiasts. However, for everyday users who want convenience and flexibility, the Armsen is a strong choice. Would you prefer a flexible all-in-one machine or separate dedicated tools? Share your thoughts below. Number 3, the Horavi Single. Serve coffee maker with built-in grinder. The Horavi Single. Serve coffee maker is perfect for those who want a compact coffee setup without sacrificing freshness. It combines a small coffee maker with a built-in grinder, making it ideal for apartments, dorms, or offices. You can use whole beans, pre-ground coffee, or K-cup pods, giving you excellent versatility. The grinder allows you to control grind time, and the digital interface makes it easy to select your cup size. Compared with the Armsen, the Horavi is more focused on personal use rather than serving multiple people, but it takes up less space and is easier to manage. Compared with larger coffee makers, it doesn't brew full pots, making it better suited for individual users. The blade grinder system is less precise than burr grinders, but it still delivers fresh coffee quickly and conveniently. For people who want a simple, compact solution with fresh grinding capability, the Horavi is a great option. What matters more to you, saving space or having more brewing capacity? Let me know. Number 2, the Electactic 10-cup drip coffee maker with built-in grinder. For those who need more capacity, the Electactic 10-cup drip coffee maker with built-in grinder offers a complete solution. This machine combines a high-capacity coffee maker with a built-in burr grinder, making it perfect for families or heavy coffee drinkers. The 10-cup carafe allows you to brew multiple servings at once, while the conical burr grinder ensures better grind consistency compared to blade systems. It also features adjustable brew strength, programmable scheduling, and temperature control to enhance flavor. Compared with compact machines like the Horavi and Armsen, this setup focuses more on quantity and consistency rather than portability. Compared with similar large-capacity coffee makers, it offers excellent balance between features and performance. The only downside is that it requires more cleaning and maintenance, especially when using oily beans. Still, if you want a reliable and powerful coffee maker with an integrated grinder, the Electactic is a great pick. Do you prefer brewing 1 cup at a time or a full pot? Tell us in the comments. Number 1. The Kismile 10-cup drip coffee maker with grinder built-in. Taking the top spot is the Kismile 10-cup drip coffee maker with built-in grinder, offering the best balance of performance, convenience, and value. This setup combines a powerful coffee maker with an integrated grinder, delivering fresh coffee with minimal effort. It features multiple grind settings, adjustable brew strength, and programmable scheduling, all controlled through an easy-to-use touchscreen panel. Compared with other machines on this list, the Kismile stands out by offering both large capacity and customization at an affordable price. Unlike smaller machines like the Horavi or Armsen, it can serve multiple people at once, and compared with the Gevi, it provides a fully automatic brewing experience. It also competes closely with the Electactic, but its user-friendly design and overall value give it the edge. While very oily beans may require more frequent cleaning, it still delivers excellent performance for everyday use. If you want a dependable coffee maker and grinder combo that offers great results without complexity, the Kismile is one of the best options in 2026. Do you agree with our number 1 pick, or would you choose something else? Let us know. So, there you have it. The 5 best coffee grinder and coffee maker combinations in 2026. Each option offers something unique, from the espresso-focused Gevi to the compact Horavi and the high-capacity Kismile for busy households. Choosing the right setup depends on your coffee habits, available space, and how much control you want over your brewing process. A great coffee grinder and coffee maker setup can completely transform your daily routine by delivering fresher flavor and better consistency every time. If this video helped you find the perfect setup, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and buying guides. All the links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your perfect cup of coffee.